Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two things. First, the working of LLAMA index. Second thing, in which situation we can use the chatbot and in which situation we cannot use the chatbot. So first we will discuss about the working of LLAMA index. So first of all, we create the vector database. So this is the vector database. Okay, so this is the vector database. So first we create that vector database, and this is the open AI. You can say this is the LLM, OpenAI LLM. Okay, so consider we have a large number of data. Okay, we have lot of data, we have number of PDF file, and we have already converted that PDF file to the vector database. When the user asks the question, normally when we open the chatbot, when we open the chat GPT, we directly ask the question, single question, like write the program, write this prime number program, this one. But when we have custom database, okay, when the user asks the question, the Langchain or LLAMA index first search the vector database and perform the similarity matching. Matching between question and the stored database. So for similarity matching, they can use Euclidean distance, or they can use cosine similarity. So once they get the matching records, that matching records will be sent to the OpenAI with the questions. So question here and the relevant answer from the vector database, because consider vector database contain 10,000 record. It's not possible to send all the records to the LLM. Getting sense? So it is not possible to send all the record to the LLM. So first the Langchain or LLAMA index perform the similarity search. It find the top 10 records, and those top 10 records with the question sent to the OpenAI. Okay, then OpenAI LLM perform the internal NLP things and give the answers. Okay, so best thing means the accuracy lies here in the similarity search. Accuracy lies here because LLM can perform a multiple means very magnificent type of task, but the similarity search is based upon cosine similarity or Euclidean distance similarity. So if your matching is, if you're not getting the result according to your question, the problem is here, similarity search. Okay, so I hope you get a sense of working of LLAMA index or Langchain. Now let's see one example. Consider you have a record like this. You have a motors. These are the multiple motors A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and these are the power like 300 watt, 350 watt, 360 watt. This is the power, and this is rotation per minute. Okay, so these are the records. These are very small number of records. So here I am not creating any vector kind of thing. I have a question. So this is my custom database, and I have a question. Question is that I need the record which take the less power, means less than 400 power watts, and RPM greater than 2000. So in this situation, I am not performing any kind of similarity search because the record size is very small. I can directly send this everything to the LLM. Okay, so if I have a small record, let me open it and forward it to the LLM. Let me load it again. Okay, so I can select ChatGPT or ChatGPT 4. So I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 and sending this record. So you can see answer is motor A3. Okay, so give me the data on the motor that has. Okay, so consider if I change the sentence little bit, like give me list of motors. Okay, so I'm getting two motors here. I'm getting accurate result. So LLM can give us accurate result, but the problem is, consider if this size is very large. Consider I have 10,000 records, so it is not possible to send all the records to the LLM. So we perform first similarity matching. We first perform similarity matching, and once we get top 10 records, these top 10 record will be sent to the OpenAI, means LLM. So LLM find whatever the question asked by the user from those record. So accuracy lies here, because in this kind of record, all are same. Means if we check model A1, A2, just are same. A1, A2, no difference. And like 350, 300, near about same. And RPM also same. RPM is there. RPM just two zeros are there. Okay, because this similarity search means doesn't get this sense of less than or greater than, because you are performing some mathematical calculation, less than, greater than, mathematical comparison, but your similarity search just a NLP things, just a matching thing, just a matching with the strings. So it doesn't perform any kind of less than, greater than thing. So that kind of data will not work with the AI chatbot. Okay, so you have to create the parser for it. So in these kinds of situation, your AI chatbot will not give you the good results. So consider if you have a very large PDF which contain like chemistry, physics things, on that data you can perform your AI things, means get the similarity matching and perform and send to the LLM. That will work. But consider this kind of record, JSON record, which near about similar, all are similar, like 300, 350, matching string is the matching. So in this kind of record, your AI bot may not work very well. Okay, so I hope you're getting a sense where you can use AI chatbot, where you cannot, because there's a limitation on the token. So you cannot send all the record to the LLM. So we have to perform the similarity match to get the best record. So I hope you're getting a sense of this video. So if you find this video useful, please like the channel and subscribe it. Bye bye.